Pakistan Ordnance Factory proudly presents. Another feather in Pakistan Ordnance Factory's cap is the indigenously produced 5.56 by 45 mm ammunition manufactured as per NATO standards. The design has the capability of precise powder loadability at assembly stage with an accuracy of less than 0.3 grains. With muzzle velocity of 3,000 feet per second, the bullet can hit a target of up to 600 meters with high precision and lethality. All integral components, as well as the final products, are according to the internationally accepted NATO standards. System has the capability to manufacture both ball 55 grains and penetrator 62 grains bullets. The manufacturing tools have been designed indigenously within Pakistan Ordnance Factory with high precision and dimensional control. Ammunition has been tested with various assault rifles, including M16A4 and Minimi. The results have been perfect. Process integration has resulted in a high standard product with competitive cost and high production rates to meet domestic and international requirements.